Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. Today's video is a hodgepodge and I'm going to try and go through it pretty quickly. These are my projects and items I picked up along the way on Girls Beach Weekend, and I want to put some things away. So I want to show you what I've done and get them off the counter. So first and foremost, Susan Tootsie Tucker was sending out these cute little boxes, and when she sent them out, they were flat, so she could just send them in an envelope. This is how I decorated mine. I put washi tape around the whole thing, and then I have a thing that says amazing, and a fussy cut camera, and a star, and a cork, and gold glitter heart, and a layered up butterfly with a staple. Just some fun little things that I had on the counter while I was crafting, and I thought, oh, these would be cute. My original idea, I'll tell you now, it's too late though, is I was thinking I should not glue it together, and then I could put stuff in it, decorate it flat, and then send it back. That would have been smart, but I was talking and gluing, and you know how that goes. That is my box, and I hope you like how it turned out. And if you wanted to be included in that, Susan Tootsie Tucker would have happily mailed you a box, and she's here on YouTube, and you must know who she is. I finally did my Garth Brooks page. If you watch my monthly goals collaboration video, you know that this has been on my brain for a while. I'm going to show it to you here so I can put it away in the page protectors and not have to worry about having it out for goals. I did cover up the pictures a little because I have one friend that's super weird about social media and that sort of thing, so they're just covered up. But then I left another one uncovered because I know that this friend won't care. So I used thickers from a Tuesday morning pack, and the majority of this paper is basic gray, which doesn't make paper anymore, but I love. And then I have a few things that I added in from random stuff. This was a photograph of the confetti. It's actually a photograph of my art journal page, and then I trimmed it down and I just wrote about it a little. These are the shirts that my friend and I got. And True Happiness, my favorite. I wrote down here the exact date because I wanted that marked, but I think I would have liked to leave a little bit more room and put at least the year up here. I don't know. The other thing is sometimes on a page like this, I'll write bucket list, and I looked at different letters, but sometimes I do bucket list as my title. Hot August Nights, if you're not familiar with that, it is an amazing car show in Reno and Sparks, Nevada, and my page said bucket list. I mean, it was amazing. So sometimes I do that, but I wasn't sure. It says the sweetest day, life is good, the greatest thing, everything is lovely. And then we have a picture of the stage. So I'm excited that I got it done. I mean, I'm more excited that I went, right? But I'm glad to have this done and put away, and I'm so bad at getting my 12 by 12 pages done, so I'm excited for that. This is a journal that I made, and it will show in No Paper Left Behind. So I'll do a separate video on this. This one is going to be, this is Smash That Small Paper Pad for this month, and I used these two paper pads, and Wilson's excited to tell you about it, I guess. And I mixed them. This one was a full pad, this one was a partial, and they have a lot of masculine earth tones in them, and made this adorable journal. So this video will come out, I believe, on the 25th. I don't know. You guys know probably better than I do, but Smash That Small Paper Pad. The one thing I definitely want to show you on this, in case I lose the package or put it away before then, look at these little paw prints. Oh my gosh. They're Studio Katya and they're polymer clay. Look at them. Oh my gosh. If these came in like a million colors, I would have bought them all. I don't know. Maybe they exist other places. I got these at the store that I love to go to out on the peninsula in Washington State, Impressing Ideas. In fact, I thought I was done with this journal, and then we bought them and I added them on. I told you this is a hodgepodge video. I wanted to show you more stuff that I picked up there at Impressing Ideas. It's out of the way. It is way on the west side of the state of Washington. This is a paper pad I wasn't familiar with. Ciao Bella, made and printed in Italy. Time for home. Watch this. Oh my gosh. Look at those cute little blue birdhouses. We're not going to take it all apart, but still super cool. The one thing I do want to know though, I didn't take it apart there. The store owner, Cindy, is fabulous. So she wouldn't have cared if I opened it up and wanted to feel all the paper. It has a very smooth, nice finish. No shine to it. Love it. Then I picked up, a lot of you were worried and have been messaging me like, have you seen this? Yes. Ocean Blue, Graphic 45. I got it. I don't love so much the sea theme, and I'm not really into a big scary octopus, but I love my happy place. Friends are like seashells we collect along the way. I just love the paper. So I got that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I might just hoard it like I do with a lot of my other Graphic 45. I also picked up the journaling and ephemera cards for Little Women while I was there. Andrea picked me up Little Women at Tuesday Morning, the collection, a while ago, and I'm still hoarding it. So I'm going to put this in with it because if I want to make a journal or a mini album, I'll have it. I got score tape. I got flat score tape. I got a 2-inch roll. I got a 1-inch roll. A lot of stuff. I got these scissors. If you watch my channel, you're probably dying laughing because clearly I have some sort of scissor buying problem. But I bought these before, and what I think I'm going to do with these is I'm going to figure out which way it is that makes the serrated edge, and then I'm going to put washi tape on this side so that when I cut with these, I don't get the serrated edge to show. So if the washi tape is up, it will cut the way I like, because I like to be able to grab them off the wall and cut, and I don't like the serrated edge. You can see it's one side is serrated and one is not. I don't know why they're like that, except they cut all sorts of things like butter, and maybe that's why. I got other things up there at that store, all sorts of treasures, but I don't know. They've lost their way. Then I hit a Tuesday Morning on the way home. I picked up a jelly bean soup paper collection. I hadn't picked these up before. Made in China. I like the colors. I got a package of these at Tuesday Morning. I think I also got the same exact container of these at Impressing Ideas. So 2 in 1 weekend that may be exactly the same. I didn't save the package from the other one, nor do I think I took a picture and posted it on Instagram. I was having trouble posting. My connectivity was so bad that I thought I was going to post pictures to keep you guys updated on projects I was making and what Katie and Andrea were doing. And sometimes I would post and then I would go back later to post the next thing, and the first one never actually went. While I was gone, 2 things rolled in from Christy Marcotte's D-Stash. She is Christy Marcotte here on YouTube, and she's also Best Things in Life Are Pink. There's a die that says blessings and one that says blessed. She did a D-Stash on Etsy, and I love these. I just think that we really need to count our blessings and be grateful and be finding joy and looking on the bright side. And if it takes a die to remind me to do that, then so be it. I also got the stamp set. I thank my lucky stars for you. I have so many star stamps and dies, and I like to make thank you cards, and I like sentiments that help me use stamps. So I like the rest of the set too, but that's really why I got it. So I got those 2 things from her D-Stash. Then there's one more thing I want to show you in this video because it is crazy. I'm going to have trouble showing you this on video. It is 12.5 by 15.5. It's a scrapbook that my friend Katie's great aunt made of her cards. And I hadn't really seen anybody do this. Look, she even has like the thing made in the USA, the original tag for it. She put cards that were gifted to her in this album. And they're Christmas cards, birthday cards, 1948. 1948. There are some that are 1950s. This book is amazing. And the cards, I'm going to unhook you. just so you can see how detailed and gorgeous the cards are. Plus, they're in perfect condition because they were in this book. So Andrea spent some time reading us quotes and sentiments from these cards. And some things, you know, trends and styles, some things would repeat. 1950, there's glitter on this one. It's funny to see how many of them, if I sent them to you today, you would still like it. I mean, look at this one. And Andrea was Googling some of the artists on here. Look. Has a little dangly right there. So anyway, Andrea was Googling some of the artists and it talked about, you know, their history and other things that they had made. I think she must have seen somebody's name. Maybe it was signed or something. It is super, super fun. Then the one thing I did was way back here at the back. The pages are struggling a little. There's blank pages, blank paper. So I took a couple of these out and used them in a journal. Now, I know they're probably not acid-free, and I wouldn't want to put them against photographs that I was trying to save for a lifetime. But in a journal like this that I would want someone to use and have fun with, look at that. It's just luscious. I didn't put anything on it because it feels wonderful. They're a little bit fragile, but I still think they're fun to have in journals. So there are a couple of blank pages back here, maybe 10. So I'll probably use those. But anyway, just a super neat thing to see. And to our friend Katie, who's not a paper crafter, this was trash. She was like, just take it and whatever you want to do with it. And Andrea and I were super excited. So I think it's one of those things where I'll drink some coffee and look through it. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's glitter. And I just think that to have glitter on a card, 1954, and that card still looks that good. That's amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll show you the other projects in different videos. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and doing well. Bye-bye.